Hey, did you know Indiana Jones and recharge pits in Marathwada have something in common? Let's talk about the pits first. Marathwada, one of the India's most drought-prone regions, faces a paradox where fields are waterlogged while wells run dry. Farmers blamed the impermeable black soils which trap water on the top and block recharge. Their solution: thousands of recharge pits 4 feet by 4 feet wide and 6 feet deep, filled with rocks to channel water past the black soil into the rock below. But when we tested this assumption, the story shifted. Double ring infiltration tests at 22 sites showed rates from 1 to 20 cm per hour, averaging 8 cm per hour. Even at the lowest rate, a foot of water should infiltrate within a day. Yet, waterlogging persisted for 5 to 10 days. Pressure transducers confirmed that pits made little difference. Water levels in plots with and without pits were nearly the same, while nearby wells brimmed with water. The real culprit wasn't the soil, but shallow aquifer saturation. Valleys with already full aquifers stay waterlogged, while ridges drain quickly. Recharge pits neither reduce ponding in valleys nor add significant recharge on the ridges. What's needed instead is a landscape level approach. Proper drainage and raised bed farming in valleys and community ponds on ridges to store water. The myth that all black soils are impermeable needs rethinking. Which brings me back to Indiana Jones. As Amy Farrah Fowler in The Big Bang Theory said,
Indiana Jones plays no role in the outcome of the story.
the same holds true for Marathwada's recharge pits. They don't play a role in reducing waterlogging or increasing recharge in Marathwada. Thank you.